Fighter jet. Make it like flow in the air. Small ones don't want to pop. Yo, that's really fast. Got caught in the motor. On fire. Yeah, we got in the motor and now it's burning.
Yo, look at this, look at this. Yo, I got a hole.
Yeah.
Yo.
Wait. Wow. Plastic just cut through wood.
Look at the blade.
That was boring. Stop. Yeah, we really got it this time. Hey, if you want to keep doing that, we can burn out and smoke a lot of it. But I don't know. Did it by itself? Okay, stop. No, stop. Don't do it.
Stop.
Okay.
Oh no.
Ah, it's hot.
Hot?
I think so, yeah. Oh, I can smell it a little bit.
Did you put it already?
Hopefully we didn't. Wait. See? It did ruin the tape a little bit. Like it twisted it.
How hot is it? Yo, it's pretty hot.
Okay, let's take off the tape and see if it still works. Okay, still works.
Okay.
That's good.